students, welcome to 60 out of 60 in KCET Chemistry 2025 series. So today I am going to introduce you to KPL, that is KCET Premier League. So yes, today we have launched our first test in the KPL. So I'll be discussing everything about this series. How can you download the question paper, which chapters are going to be asked, how many questions will be there, everything in detail. So yes, please stay tuned so that you can understand everything here. Now what is the importance of test series, right? Where we are preparing every day, we are studying every day. Now we need to do a measurement of our level of preparation, how much we have actually prepared, right? And this we can know if we are attempting test. So please remember, tests are very, very important to understand the level of preparation, to understand the mistakes, to rectify our mistakes well in advance, right? So yes, so that is why every week we are going to conduct a test, and the name of this test series will be KPL, that is your KCET Premier League. Okay, so yes, now let me introduce everything about this to you. Okay, so first, now what is this KPL offering you? So there will be a test of 30 questions. One second. Yeah, so there will be a test of 30 questions every Sunday. Okay, every Sunday we'll be conducting a test of 30 questions. Now what will be the portions of this 30 questions or this Sunday test? So suppose now we have started a week from Monday to Saturday, right? We studied, as you know, every day our chemistry classes is at 6 p.m, right? So we will be studying certain concepts, will be covering certain concepts. So this test will be based on the syllabus that we studied from Monday to Saturday. Okay, so syllabus will be the topics covered in that particular week. Okay, now coming to how will you check the answers? The solutions will be given on the Sunday evening. Okay, so the solutions, the video solution, recorded video solution will be provided to you on Sunday evening, and the test will be given you in the morning of Sunday. Okay, so yes, you have enough time to prepare this, to attempt the test. After attempting the test in the evening, you can check the solutions and can know what questions you have done correct, what questions you have done wrong. Everything you can analyze. Okay, so understood what we are going to do? Every Sunday we are going to write a test. Okay, this test will consist of 30 questions. The syllabus will be that particular week, whatever we have studied, and then you in the evening of Sunday will be getting the solution video where you can check the answers of all these 30 questions with detailed explanation. Okay, now coming to how will you download this question paper? Where will you get this question paper? So that is very simple. We have only one source. You have two sources here. So you can join our WhatsApp channel. The link of the WhatsApp channel will be there in the description section of this video. Please go there, join our WhatsApp channel. If you join the WhatsApp channel, you can get the PDF of the question paper. Okay, you have to just download it and then you need to solve it. Next, coming here, you can also download the question file from our community post. Okay, you know our channel Diksha Karnataka, so you can go to the community post. There also we will be having the link of our question paper. From there also you can download. So there are two ways. One is your WhatsApp channel and another is your community post. Please remember, two sources to download the question paper. Now how to attempt the test? How are we going to attempt this test? Okay, so here first is you have to revise the topics. You know that week what chapters we have studied from Monday to Saturday. So you need to revise all these topics and come prepared for the test. There is no use of writing test without any preparation. Without preparation, we cannot measure. If we just write test randomly, then we cannot measure our preparation, right? So it is very, very important that you revise all the topics thoroughly, revise everything that have been taught, and then come on Sunday and write down the test with full confidence. Okay. Second, practice all questions in the lectures and daily shorts. So as you all know, we are giving you a daily short where we are discussing 5 PYQs and we are solving those questions. And in the lecture videos also, we are doing so many practice questions. So please practice all those questions that we have discussed and then come to the test for Sunday. Next, attempt the test in the exam condition. So I'll tell you, you need to have a practice of sitting with focus for certain time and then attempt your questions. Okay, so in under exam conditions means you should sit at least for 30 to 40 minutes. I'll tell you, for this 30 questions you may take a time of 40 minutes. Okay, put a timer of 40 minutes, sit silently, do not go here and there at this particular time. 40 minutes dedicated fully for the test. Okay, and one more thing that you should remember is you have to use, like I am telling you, this is try to use OMR sheet. Okay, if possible we'll be giving you the OMR sheet link also in our in this video. If possible you have to use the OMR sheet. And one more thing, in the exam condition, no calculator. Okay, you cannot use calculator here, right? You know, KCET examination, calculators are not allowed, so you cannot use calculator. You have to sit for 40 minutes and you should not go here and there. Sit silently and then attempt the test. And if possible, you have to take it in OMR sheet. This is not mandatory, but if you take in OMR sheet, you can understand better time management. Okay, how much time it is taking to bubbling the answers. So these all things you can understand. So this is recommended but not mandatory. Okay. Now coming to what to do after the test. You have written the test, now what you have to do? You have to wait till evening, till the solutions are posted. You have to check the solutions. You need to, after checking the solutions, you need to assign yourself marks and calculate the total marks. Okay, what are the correct answers, what is the wrong answers? Calculate +1 you have to give for every correct answer, 0 mark you have to allot for wrong answers, and then calculate your marks. After this, you have to analyze your mistakes. Now suppose electrochemistry test was there, you did correct questions from galvanic cell, but you did questions wrong in those topic of conductance. So now we can understand that, okay, conductance is my weak area, I need to work more on this. Like this, you have to analyze your mistakes. Okay, so 30 questions, it will not take more time to analyze. So that is why from now, from the very beginning, you have to keep a check of your strength and weakness. Okay, next, after this, you have to rework on the weak area. So if you are finding that conductance is my weak area, I am not able to put the formulas correctly, I am not able to apply the formulas correctly, then yes, that is your like weak area and you need to work on that. Okay, so this is how we can improve and we can make our scores better. And next, you have to understand your strengths and weakness. Okay, suppose I'll ask you electrochemistry, I have given you 15 questions. How much you have scored? Suppose you have scored 7. Okay, and 7 questions are from galvanic and like electrolytic cell, Faraday's law. So these are your strong areas, and you have done mistakes in your conductance part, right? Then that is your weak area. So we can analyze these things and we can work on them, right? So that is why it is very, very important that after test, Sunday evening, you need to sit and do analysis of that particular test. Okay, so yes, now the first test is going to be coming on this Sunday. Okay, so KPL test 1, okay, is on Sunday, and the syllabus for this is solutions chapter, which we have discussed completely, and electrochemistry. Okay, these two topics are there, right? So now the test will be on this Sunday. Okay, so please prepare, do all the lectures that we have discussed. Questions will come from those lectures only, nothing outside from that. So please prepare, not like what concepts we have discussed in those lectures, from there questions will be asked. So please prepare these lectures and then revise them, revise all the formulas, do some more practice questions, and then come for this exam. Okay, so now if you remember, this Sunday is your 8th September. Right, so the test will be on 8th September, question paper will be given to you in our WhatsApp channel. So what all things you need to do? First, you have to join our WhatsApp channel. After joining our WhatsApp channel, you need to revise these topics, and then you have to get ready for the test, attempt the test, whatever condition it is, please attempt it. And then in the evening, you need to see the solutions and assign score to yourself. Okay, so yes, those who are ready to attempt the test, please comment down that you are going to assign that, you are going to complete the test. Okay, so yes, this is very, very important to understand the level of preparation. We have completed 2 chapters. Now it is our duty to know how much we have actually understood these chapters. Okay, so I want everyone who is watching this video, please attempt the test. Okay, yes, that's all in this. So I have told you KPL is going to be launched on Sunday. So yes, first series or first test is of chemistry of solutions and electrochemistry chapter, 8th September. Do not forget the date. And yes, this is a mandatory, very, very important to improve your preparation. Okay, so yes, thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more updates.